I'm now proud to be joined by Highway Care and their Director of Business Development, Ben Duncker. Despite the challenges we've had over the last 12 months, Highway Care have had a really breakthrough year, delivering on some of the most high-pressure projects and providing some of the most innovative solutions on the network today. Hi, Ben. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, Dom. Thank you. Really pleased and proud to be here today.
It's great to have you. What a year it's been. Obviously, it's been challenging for all of us, but you have been working on some of the most well-publicised projects we can think of. Operation Brock and Stack. You were the guys who had to roll out of bed just before Christmas to tackle that. And of course, the automated cone laying machine, which I think everyone in the sector is excited about. It's going to make a real difference to safety. Just talk us through some of those big projects you've been working on and actually innovating and right at the cutting edge of.
Yeah, thank you, Dom. Firstly, I just want to say, we are immensely proud of our employees over the last 12 months, how they've managed to conduct themselves during this very challenging time. But I also want to say thank you to the frontline NHS workers and spare a thought for those that have been affected by the recent COVID challenge. We probably all know somebody that has been affected by COVID over the last 12 months. So let's hope that 2021 is a better year for all of us. Moving forward, though, and talking about what has been achieved by Highway Care over the last 12 months, yes, we have been involved in, looking back, some significant things over that period of time. From the automated cone lay machine, which we started right back in February, back in Bruntingthorpe, to the final delivery, installation and mobilisation of the movable barrier on the M20 as part of Operation Stack, which culminated in the deployment in December when the French decided to close the borders to the UK. It really has been a significant and challenging year, but one that we are very proud of in what has been achieved.
So I understand it, you're actually given a personal letter from Grant Shapps because of your work on Operation Stack. Is that right?
Yeah, just after Christmas, it was nice to receive a letter of thanks to Highway Care and the project team, Balfour Beatty, Atkins, Highways England, and Lindsay Transportation Solutions, who are the technology provider, all of which worked really in tight partnership to design and deliver this project with the challenges that we had to overcome. And that letter came just in the post as we came back to work in January. So it was really nice to receive such recognition.
Oh, congratulations. And looking ahead, how do you build, because you've built up some really strong relationships now with the biggest client, Highways England, but right through the sector providing highway safety and security solutions. So how are you going to build on the success you've had for the future?
Well, look, the last 12 months, I mentioned about partnership, and it really has been about collaboration and partnership with Highways England, Kier Highways for the automated cone lane machine, and also for a new project that we've got starting in April, May, which I'll touch on. But I also have to recognise other companies that have supported us during this period as well. Balfour Beatty, Vinci, and Chevron Traffic Management supported the trials on the M4 of the automated cone lane machine. So without their support and their collaboration, we wouldn't have been able to achieve anywhere near the success we've had over the last 12 months. Moving forward, we obviously want to further that collaboration and that partnership as we look to, firstly, successfully achieve the trials from the cone lane machine and move that into commercial reality as we deliver the first units with our strategic delivery partners in late 2021. I touched on our Swiftgate, which is an automated lane closure system. That's another Highways England innovation project with Kier Highways that will be deployed in Area 3 sometime around April or May. And should that project be a success, then there is option and opportunity to roll that out across the country with various other key stakeholders who have expressed an interest in using that solution. Where do we start on other areas in our business? Our operational delivery services, which was a huge part of why we were able to successfully deliver the Op Brock movable barrier, was and has been very important to us in the last 12 months. And we're looking to introduce some of our innovations back into that part of the business as we aim to automate parts of the process for installation of barriers to make our road workers, our own operatives' lives much safer and much more efficient as well.
So, Ben, we're talking there about relationships and the wonderful strategic collaborative partnerships you've built up over the last few years. But what about the wider highways community? You've been a strong supporter of Highways Awards for many years now. What does it mean to you to be here? Well, not in person, but to be with us all together and celebrate?
But we've been in the highways industry for nearly 4 decades, and we've used the word proud before, and we really are proud to be part of the Highways Awards and to be involved in recognising other like-minded companies like ourselves. Without these other companies, without partnerships and collaboration, we wouldn't be able to have had the success that we've had over the last year and previous years. And so to be here is really important for us.
Well, thank you, Ben. It's been a real pleasure talking to you. Congratulations again on being celebrated by the Secretary of State, and best of luck for the year ahead.
Thank you, Dom, and thank you to all those competing for the awards.